So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you another newly launched base meme coin here. Okay, Kendu Inu is name and Kendu symbol 308 number market cap ranking, and friends, still this meme coin is not listed on major centralized exchanges, and already here you can see its market cap is $148 million. Okay, $184 million market cap meme coin, and is still not listed on major centralized exchanges. So it means when it meme coin will be listed on major central exchanges, then definitely this market cap can goes into $1 billion here, and this meme coin can be the next 100 to maybe 500x potential meme coin here. Okay, so I will share you this full detailed review here. Okay, and I will also suggest you some exchanges where this meme coin is listed right now, from where you can buy this meme coin. Okay, so you have to just for the company, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. But first of all, you can see Cano has currently 3 zeros in his price. Okay, as I already show you its market cap, and you can see $2.6 million trading volume in last 24 hours. So that's amazing. Okay, $2.6 million trading volume. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, total supply, max supply is you can see 1 trillion, almost all in circulation. So that's awesome. Coin is working on Ethereum scan. So okay. Ethereum chain. Okay, and here you can see this is a meme coin. Right now we are almost 45% down than its all time high, and 5,000% up than its all time low. Coin has already killed 2 zeros since its launching. Okay, friends, so that's amazing. Initially, coin was launched with 5 zeros, but right now, coin has only 3 zeros in its price. Okay, and already this meme coin has killed 2 zeros, so that is awesome. These are the exchanges where this meme coin is listed. Here you can see Bilexi has listed, Big One has listed, okay, and Bitmart. L Bank. These are the three, four central exchanges where this meme coin is listed, but it's still not on Get.io, not on KuCoin, not on Bybit, not on MEXC. Okay, these type of central exchanges have still not listed this meme coin. Okay, and you can see its the highest trading volume is on Ethereum dexes Uniswap, but all other central exchanges has low trading volume. Okay, so friends, its market cap is already $148 million, so I think maybe we can see its major central exchange listing soon. Okay, because already good number of holders also I will show you here. You can see on Etherscan 11,859 holders. Okay, 11,859 holders, so that's amazing. So number of holders are also amazing, trading volume is good, but main important thing is that you can see its market cap that's $148 million already. Okay, friends, so this is amazing. Okay, first, I can see website is also looking good. Okay, and this is a Japanese dog breed. Okay, that's why this meme coin can be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin. I can see witness the rise of the next $1 billion meme coin ecosystem. Okay, so they are also aiming to become Candu to be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin here. Okay, and I will also show you its further details that are very amazing. Here you can see, friends, this is not just a meme coin, but they are also building its ecosystem. Here you can see building the Candu ecosystem. They have their Candu Labs, Candu Cash, and followed by Satoshi Kosuma. Okay, so that's amazing. And secret partnership to be announced soon. Okay, so that's amazing. Okay, and here you can see this they are going to build this meme coins ecosystem, and they are witnessing to rise this meme coin up to $1 billion here. So that is amazing, friends. Okay, website is looking good, and you can also follow them on their social communities also: YouTube, Reddit, Dextool, okay, X, Twitter, and Telegram also. As I can see on Telegram, they are sharing latest updates here. Okay, so you can also check out further details on their Telegram account here. Okay, so that's amazing. Okay, project is looking good, and because it's a Japanese dog meme coin, so maybe this meme coin can be the next Shiba Inu meme coin also. So now my price prediction about this meme coin is that, okay, it's right now its market cap is $148 million. So friends, this market cap can goes into $1 billion here. Maybe we can see its market cap up to 10 to maybe $20 billion by the end of this coming mega bull run here. Because friends, this is a Japanese dog breed meme coin. Okay, so that's awesome there for this meme coin. That's why maybe this meme coin can be the next Shiba Inu coin here. Okay, and maybe we can see its market cap up to 10 to maybe $20 billion here, because market cap is right now already good, trading volume is good, number of holders are good. Okay, and still this meme coin is not listed on major central exchanges. So definitely major central exchanges that I already show you, MEXC, KuCoin, Bybit, they will maybe list soon this meme coin, and after their listing, definitely we can see its market cap up to 1 to maybe $2 billion here. And then definitely this meme coin has potential to kill maybe 2 to 3 more zeros here. Okay, as already this meme coin has killed 2 zeros since its launching, but still this meme coin has potential to kill maybe 2 to 3 zeros here. Okay, what's your price prediction about this meme coin? You can must comment down below.